What's going on, guys? T-Tor is back here for another video. So today, me and Samuel's in the back of the garage, we're going to be installing rock lights onto the truck. We started this project last week and realized, hey, how are we going to do this if we don't have fender liners in the rear? So, as you can see up front, we have fender liners, so that shouldn't be a big deal. But in the rear, we have nothing but bare metal, and I didn't really want to zap into this, so I bought some Husky liners, and yeah, we're going to install some rock lights. So we have 12 rock lights. As you can see, here is the rear wheel liners for the Duramax. I'll have a link down in the description for these bad boys. I think they were 99 bucks with all the hardware to secure them. And then, as you can see here, we have our lights, IP68 or 69. And we have our brackets. And then, yeah, all the hardware and screws are within the bag. So the goal is on the truck to, we have 12. So we're going to do 2 in each fender liner. And then 2 on each door, or excuse me, 1 on each door. And then obviously the same thing on the driver's side. And then 2 in the rear. So that should give us enough lighting. We've never done this before, so we don't know exactly where we're going to place the lights in the fender well. I'm thinking somewhere in the lines of angled here and angled there, and it'll shine straight down. I also have track bars coming. They're going to be powder coated, so it'll be nice to see everything lit up. I wanted to put one on the diff cover back here, but we don't have enough. So I hope everybody's having a good Memorial Day weekend. That's what we're going to be doing today. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of the fender liners. Not to mention, it is only 85 degrees out today. We're about to do this in the freaking sun. I know Samuel's probably not happy about that, but we're going to get it done. So here we go. We have the hardware pieces to mount it. Okay. Hey, can you hold this real quick? Yeah. While I take these out. Alright. Get these bad boys out of here. Alright, so here we go. Brand new, nice rear, left rear and right rear fender liners, plus the hardware. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the rock lights here on the ground so we can match these perfectly together. Hopefully, I'm thinking we're going to go obviously somewhere in this bend right here on each side. We'll measure and then mount them both, and then that'll give us the wiring portion. And then of course the wiring is going to be ran along the back side and then down through the frame rails. And then we have the of course we have the wiring stuff, and then the switch. And then, don't tell me I forgot the inline fuse somewhere. I'm going to be very disappointed. I have an inline fuse somewhere. Maybe it's somewhere in the truck. But yeah, we have the switch and all the wiring. Probably got 100 foot of wiring or so. 18 gauge, 20 gauge, something like that. I'm going to go look for the inline fuse. Man, that sucks. Okay, so as you can see, we now have the rear guards wired up. This is where we mounted them. We measured each side to the same equal distance to the outside of each light. So both of these are the exact same. And then over here is the passenger side. We have it mounted up. And then the driver's side as well. It is hotter than all get out. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're about to solder these together. And then on the rear is what we're going to do is we're going to mount the rear here and then run enough wire. We're going to tap into, so there's going to be a light here and then tap into here, and then we're going to tap into this passenger side fender well, and then we're going to run the wire from the passenger side to the driver's side, which will go to the battery, and then from the battery we'll go into the cab to where the switch is. So we're going to get this all done, and yeah, I get caught up a little bit. Actually mounting the lights was not too bad at all. Just getting your measurements and then yeah, mounting them. Super simple. Okay, what seemed like a decade later, maybe about 6 hours, we finally got it done. and everything is wired up. Samuel's gonna hit the switch, and so here's what it looks like. I can't wait for it to get actually, you know, completely pitch black. So like I said, we did 2 in each fender well. We did 1 on each door. That's kind of not exactly where I wanted them to be. I wanted to be more flush and straight down, but as you can see right here, this is where we ended up running them. Still don't think it looks bad at all, so I can't wait for it to get you know, pitch black out and see exactly what it looks like. Let me come over here, give you guys another look at it. Oh yeah, that thing looks super good. Yeah, like I said, about 6 hours and we got this thing whooped. Okay, so I'm gonna head back to the house, and then whenever we get to about, I don't know, maybe like 8 or 9 o'clock, when it's actually like super dark out, I'll bring the camera outside and we'll see exactly the output and how these lights look. If you guys are interested in using the same rock lights that I got, I'll have a link down in the description, as well as the rear fender liners. All right, it is extremely dark outside, so I do apologize, but wanted to give you guys the best perception of what it looks like with the rock lights. It looks freaking amazing. Here you go. This is what she looks like. Like I said, we got 2 in each fender well, and then 1 on each door. Of course, all the frogs are yapping and stuff. Yeah, I think it looks great. The only thing I wish I would have added was 1 more like down here to shine on the diff cover, but I still looks amazing. Sam and I did an amazing job wiring these up. Can only imagine going down the road what this thing looks like. But yeah, all I got left to do, let me unlock the truck real quick. The only thing left that I got to do is finish up mounting the switch where I want it, and then feeding the wire to exactly where I want it to sit. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I wish these fender liners weren't so nasty, but the rear ones turned out great. I can't believe I didn't have these on, you know, prior to the rock lights. Husky liner, I'll have a link down in the description of them. Like I said, I think they're like 99 bucks. Shipped to the house. Thanks, Amazon. And these are also some lights, rock lights, that I got from Amazon as well. I'll definitely have a link down in the description to them. It's not 100% dark out. As you can see, we still got some light coming off from the house, but here's pretty much what it looks like. I think it looks pretty mean. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. And like I said, the liners were 99 bucks. I think these rock lights were like 60 bucks, maybe 70 bucks. I don't remember. But Sam, thank you so much for helping me. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have a link down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, and yeah, let me know what you think about the rock lights. I absolutely love them. And smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.